Imagine never working again, just relaxing while your money pays you. Sounds amazing, right? Let's see what it really takes in Canada. First, a simple question. How much do you actually need invested to live off dividends? Let's break it down together. Dividends are payments companies give you just for owning their shares. It's basically getting paid to be an investor. You buy a piece of a company, and a few times a year, it sends cash straight to you. No work required. In Canada, many big, stable companies like banks and pipelines are famous for paying steady dividends. On average, a solid Canadian dividend portfolio pays around 4% a year. Remember that number. It's the key. Now, think about how much money you'd want each year to cover your life. Rent, food, fun, everything. Let's say you want $40,000 a year to live comfortably. That's our target income. Here's the simple math. Take your yearly goal and divide it by that 4% yield. And the answer is $1 million. That's roughly what you'd need invested. A big number, but now you know it. Want more income? You need more invested. Want less? You can aim lower. It all scales with your goal. And here's good news. Inside a TFSA, that dividend income can grow completely tax-free in Canada. But be careful. Stock prices go up and down, and dividends can sometimes be cut. Nothing is guaranteed. That's why the smartest move is to start small and invest steadily, like planting a little seed. Over time, reinvested dividends grow into something much bigger. Patience is your superpower here. The dream is real. One day, your investments could quietly pay your bills while you sip your coffee. And you don't need the full million to start. Even $500,000 could cover a part-time, simpler life. So remember 3 things. Know your target income, expect about 4%, and invest consistently. Every dollar you invest today is a step toward financial freedom tomorrow. Start where you are. If this helped, hit subscribe for more simple money tips. Your future self will thank you.